Hello students, welcome to Cbse classes. So in today's video we'll be solving Cbse UGC NET 2018 July paper. So we are solving paper 2. So in the last video we solved until question number 7. So in this video we'll go to question number 8 and other questions. So first I'll start with question number 8. So in question number 8 it is given in a given diagram. After price change, the price line shift from PQ to PQ1 dash and consumer comes to equilibrium at point B instead of point A. So then what is true for potatoes? So instead of point A, the consumer comes to point B. So for this we need to first understand, after a price change, price line shift to PQ to PQ1. So this was the initial price line, that is for two commodity model the budget line was this P and Q. Now it has now pivots to Q1. So we know this happens when M by price of potato has fallen. So when price of potato, the price change basically says when price falls, then only the budget line shifts to rightward, that pivots to rightward. So now as consumer comes to equilibrium at point B instead of point A, now at this level, as you can see, if you draw the IC, the consumer used to consume this tomato and this amount of potato. Now as the price has increased, price has fallen, the demand for potato instead of increasing has decreased. So for this reason we know when price of a good increases and demand for it falls, which is known as a given good. So it is known as a given good. So for question number 8, the right answer is option 3. So for question number 8, the right answer is option 3. Now I will come to question number 9. So in question number 9 it is given which amongst the following is the correct description of inverse demand function. So which of the following has a correct description for inverse demand function? So we have 4 options given, for which we know the right answer for question number 9 is option A. So usually we know the demand curve is a function of price, that is when price increases what happens to demand, but in case of inverse demand function the opposite happens, that is it becomes price equals to function of demand. So for this, for question number 9, the right answer is option A. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showropsersclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this. You will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.